Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on videos and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to back up an iPhone using the iCloud. So there is another way to back up the iPhone, that is via iTunes, but that is a very long and dirty process which is very annoying. So we're just gonna do this with the help of iCloud. This is simpler, faster, and much easier, and anyone with an iPhone can do it. So first and foremost, you want to go to settings. Let's just pull up our settings right here. Once you're in your settings, you gotta make sure you have an iCloud account or an Apple ID. If you have an Apple ID, you'll automatically get a free 5 GB iCloud account. So we're just gonna go into our Apple ID. From here, you want to tap on iCloud. Over here, you can see what iCloud is backing up for me. So from here, you can choose what you need as a backup. Some people might take their messages very seriously. They might want to back that up. Some people might want to back up their shortcuts, their contacts, their pictures. Depends from person to person. But all you gotta do is turn it on just like that. Or if you want to go in depth like iCloud backup right there, you would just want to turn that on or turn that off, depending on what you want. And then every night it's gonna automatically back it up. You will need Wi-Fi or internet, so make sure you have that. And yeah, after you get a new iPhone, just log back in and the backup should download on its own. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.